Hi, welcome back my friend. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, and I welcome you to this series on YouTube, Learn Hypnosis Now. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist, and I have started learning hypnosis in 1972 and started teaching in 1977, and I have more than 500,000 students all over the world in 170 countries, and I have a lot of videos, audios and ebooks available on my website. And now in this Learn Hypnosis Now series, this is another method of doing hypnotic induction called handshake induction. In this particular video, you're going to learn a very simple method, 3-time handshake. By the third time, the person goes into a hypnosis, deep hypnosis. We call it a rapid induction also. So my friend, I'm going to give a demo on Sanjana, and then you watch me doing it, at least watch me doing it 3-4 times. And then when you understand it fully, find somebody and do it. Not one, do it on 3 or 4 people. In fact, I'll suggest you make a group of friends in your locality. 4 or 5 of them watch this video together and practice on each other. So watch this video and then I'll explain to you more in detail. So thank you very much. Okay, welcome back again. And I'm sure you're really enjoying all the videos. And this video, I'm going to give you another demonstration of a kind of instant hypnosis or rapid hypnosis, what you call it. Now, if you have not watched the previous video, please go back and watch the previous video, especially the hypnotic imagination game, the suggestivity test, because this all thing works better when you have done on a person suggestivity test or imagination game first. So this is the method I'm going to give you a demo, which I use it all the time. You ready, madam?
Yes.
Facing me, feet together. Okay. Feet together, come little closer. Feet together, good side. We are coming correctly. Give me your hand. And now I shake your hand 3 times. First time I shake your hand, just relax your body. Second time, relax your whole body. And third time, when I shake it down, simply close your eyes and drop down to deep state of relaxation. Now, don't worry, I'll take care of you. Sometime when I do this exercise, some person feels so relaxed, they tend to fall down. Okay. Don't worry, you are so light, I can handle you. In my workshop, I have heavy people like this and I handle them. Okay, and then you will relax. Just relax your hand, relax your hand. So when you're doing on somebody, make sure the hand is really relaxed. If the hand is not really relaxed, you loosen their hand and do it. And then hold them like this so they know they are taken care of. Understand? So get ready now. 1, feel your body relax. 2, keep your eyes closed. And 3, slip, 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 loose limb and relax, loose limb and relax, loose limb and relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. I'll count from 10 to 0 with each and every descent number, double your relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. At the count of 3, open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling breath number 1. Feel the energy coming back. 2, become aware of the surroundings. And 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. No lifting magna. I want to be safe with my wife. You felt? How you felt?
Yeah, I felt
really relaxed this time. I know.
Yeah, a bit of relaxation.
Deep relaxation. You felt good?
Yeah.
Good. Wonderful. Now this is the method. Make sure that you hold the person so the person knows that you're taken care of. When you finally say the word sleep and pull them, they'll go into deep state of hypnosis. Remember, this is an instant hypnosis. And if you stop talking, the person will come out. So keep firing so you're going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. And here I counted 10 to 0 to deepen it. Now, very interesting thing which I did here is how you know the person deeply relaxed or not. I'll show you. Come here. When she was relaxed, when I took her hand and dropped it, see now the hand stays there. But that time what happened? The hand just dropped like this.
Also, my head got very heavy.
Very heavy. I can feel your head heavy.
Yeah.
Here, plus the important thing for a hypnotist to check, I use her hand when she relaxed and dropped it. See, now it's going slowly. But the relax went like this, am I right?
Yeah.
Both the hands. That is the indication for you, the person into deep state of hypnosis. So this is another method. Practice now with your friends right now, at least 4 new people, different people. And you will, by the time you do it 4 times, you will master this method. So every method you learn here, practice it 4 times. By the 4th time, your voice will change, your confidence will change, and you will become more confident doing it, and you will master the technique. Hi, welcome my friend again. I'm sure you really enjoyed this video. The technique is very, very simple. Again, everything required to practice few times to gain confidence, and the more confidence you do, the better it is. Now, every time when you do this, remember one thing, you tell the person what is going to happen. You have to tell the person how it is going to happen. Then only it works better. Explain to them and do some compliance tests like move them around, feet together, change their location. Do at least 3 compliance tests so you know that it will, the client or whoever you are doing it, they are following your instruction and they are ready for hypnosis. So practice few times on your friends and you will master it. And now if you have not yet subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever we are conducting a new whenever we are uploading a new video. And if you want to learn a practical workshop, attend a practical live training program which we conduct regularly, so click on the link below, pradeepaggarwal.com/mh, or call us on our mobile number given there in the video, and where you will learn by doing it in a group. So you'll have a lot of chance to practice your skill on different people and master it, and after 2 days you'll become a master hypnotist, the hypnotist. Looking forward to seeing you personally, and wait for the new video coming again, a different method of hypnotic shake, handshake induction. Thank you very much.